Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a JBL Pulse 2 second generation wireless Bluetooth speaker and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this speaker not connecting to your phone, or if it's not syncing or pairing with your Bluetooth device, or if it keeps disconnecting, anything like this can very often be fixed with a factory reset. Now if you can't get it fixed or you decide you just want to buy a new speaker, I'll put a link in the description to a speaker that I have and I like a lot. But anyways, the second reason you might want to do this is if for whatever reason you just want to delete all of the pairing history off of it so that you can set this speaker up like it's a new speaker coming out of the box. We can go ahead and do that really easily. We just need to first of all have the speaker turned on, and once our speaker is turned on, we're just going to find the volume up button here and the play button here, and we're just going to press and hold those two buttons for more than 3 seconds. And after those 3 seconds or so that we've held it, this speaker will automatically turn off and then reboot into its factory default settings. You can go ahead and set this up basically like it's a brand new speaker.